Welcome back to the channel. I am That Bearded Mechanic, and if you're wondering how to get your faded, dull, ugly looking plastic that looks gray, whitish to this black, nicer, updated looking plastic, well, I'm going to show you with a simple thing of propane, fire. So let's get to it. Now you can use a propane torch like this. You can just use a heat gun as well. The main thing is keeping the heat moving. You never want to just focus on one spot, because you will melt it. It's just common sense, right? So just keep their torch or heat gun moving, and it should be good to go. You'll see as I'm moving along here, so much happens instantaneously. Obviously be mindful of the paint. You can always come back and touch up anything, because you want to make sure you keep the heat moving. It's a quick temporary fix. I've done this for numerous years in the past, and one of my vehicles, it still looked good after 3.5, 4 years. And well, of course, video cut off as I was recording that whole little segment, so I'm done now. Just had to clear some memory off my phone. So this is the finished product. As you can see, looks way better than that faded, gray, ugly girl that it was before. Remember, keep the torch or heat gun moving. You never want to focus on one spot. You can always come back. You will melt or damage the paint. Just keep that in mind. Make sure about any debris that could be back here as well. Leaves, paper, garbage, whatever can get up inside of here. You will catch that on fire if you're not careful. Just make sure that there's nothing behind here. And yeah, quick little trick. And just to clarify as well, it will not always work on some plastics. Just keep that in mind. As you can see here, it's really not working. But this trim here should probably work. Let's try further up here. Yeah, there you go. See, it's not always going to work on a lot of plastics. Keep that in mind. Yeah. Even with this one, it kind of really doesn't want to work. Yeah, so you get the idea. I'm not going to force this one anymore on that roof rack. And there you have it, quick little DIY hack, whatever you want to call it, to restore your faded plastics on your vehicle. You can use it on your trim, roof racks, your grills, obviously, any of the little bumper pieces around your vehicle. Just keep in mind that some vehicles, the plastics are going to be different. It may not work, as I showed in the video. And be careful around the edges where paint is, so you don't burn or melt your paint, create more of a problem for yourself. And be careful of any debris that's in behind a grill. As like this grill design here, there might be debris back there. You can set on fire, create a bigger problem for yourself. And all you needed was a propane torch. You can also use a heat gun as well. Be careful with the heat guns. I suggest putting the heat a little bit lower. I have a snap-on one, and that thing gets pretty damn hot on the medium setting, so you do a lot of damage with one of those. So that being said, don't forget to check out this video here. Check the video up here. Like and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.